ngayon, Kabola, ang pinaka-mainit, of course, na pinag-uusapan sa PBA landscape, and that is, of course, the release of James Yap. Big game, Kabola! And then, yung nangyari nga po sa semi-final, so hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So, nirelease na nga po ng Rain or Shine itong si James Yap, and it was due to the request of James, Kabola. So, after much prayer and reflection, I've decided to end my journey as an elasto painter, sabi niya. I've truly appreciated all those who have supported me. So, okay, give respect to Rain or Shine for letting him go, Kabola. Although they can actually force for a trade, pero of course, alam naman natin, galawan ng Rain or Shine, diba? They are that professional team, kaya siguro let go na nila itong si James, Kabola, even though meron ka pa rin po siyang market value. Hindi nila pinush po na magkaroon po ng trade, Kabola. So, the question now ng lahat po ng tao is that, saan na siya pupunta, diba? Kasi, of course, yan ang next mo na question, diba? Kasi hindi pa naman niya sinabi na siya po ay magre-retiro. So, hindi pa siya magre-retiro, saan po siya pupunta, diba? And, of course, lahat po ng, or karamihan po ng fans, actually, they want him to return to Magnolia. Diba? Bakit po gusto nila mag-return po sa Magnolia? Kasi, of course, diba, kung basketball fans ka naman, alam naman natin talaga kung saan po sumikat itong si James Yap, kung saan talaga nabuo yung pangalan niya. Kabola, it's that in the Pure Foods franchise. Pero there's a reason also that the franchise is very silent about it. Diba? All throughout the years, kung mapapansin nyo, even though, of course, they could have traded for him a long time ago, nung pababa na yung laro niya, they never attempted to. And the reason is, we do not know, di ba? We do not know the exact reason, Kabola. Yes, the real case din, Kabola, that we do not also know the real reason kung bakit po siya trinade ng Rain or Shine from the get-go, di ba? And from that way, Kabola, we should now decipher na yung reason kaya po siya trinade back then is big. Now, of course, may ni-rumor po si Snow, bakit ba, na potential nang pupuntahan. Sa post niya po, nung bata ka ba, naliligo ka sa itim na tubig ng ilog? Ako, tatanungin Yap kasi part ng kabataan yun eh. So, there was the hints, di ba? Yap! Of course, that is hinting to James Yap, Kabola. Itim na tubig, of course, that is hinting to Blackwater. So, actually, may post na dati si Snow Badwa and Blackwater din, yung kanya pong init na potential po na isa pong destinasyon. Actually, post ata yun na yung spin eh, na puntahan po nito si James Yap. And of course, the reason for that to happen is that Blackwater wants to get eyeballs, Kabola, or wants to get the attention of the fans. And of course, getting James, letting him play, letting him cook, Kabola, will surely get the eyeballs of the fans kasi James can still score. Should I support this? Kung talagang ayaw na po ng Magnolia, di pwede na rin, diba? Ito pong Blackwater. Now, speaking po of the semifinals, Kabola, of course, nakasurvive po ang Phoenix, diba? They came back from 26 points, or 21 points ata, Kabola, led by RJ Azul yung comeback, or it was finished by RJ Azul. It was a good team effort, kaya sila po ang may chance pa this Wednesday, Kabola. Ang nakakatuwa nito, parang sila ngayon yung nagpa-exit talaga nung never say the attitude, kasi po yung Ginebra, naswept na po siya ng San Miguel Beermen, Kabola, kaya madami na naman pong fans nagyakan ngayon, diba? Madami nagsabi, scripted yan, diba? Pupunta sa Game 5, diba? Pero anong nangyari, diba? Hindi siya scripted, diba? It is not scripted, Kabola, kasi there's no script, Kabola, na acceptable na masuswep po ang Ginebra. This was a real series, and San Miguel Beermen was the better team. Even Coach Tim Cone was more than honest enough to say that he was at coach, and I do believe him, and very specific ka, mga pinoint out niya eh. And dito mo actually din ma-appreciate na rin yung level ng San Miguel. They are really deep, and they have a lot of unique talents, Kabola, that it creates this different tactical point or play that they can use during the games, Kabola, that will make it hard for defenses to defend them. So, San Miguel Beermen could be gunning for their title now. Kapakabal sa palagay mo, mananalo na ba ng championship ulit ng San Miguel? Comment lang po sa baba.